We provide education and mentorship. So we have a very strong base of charter members who have expertise as either entrepreneurs or technology executives or investors who can really work very closely with the entrepreneurs to help them launch a new company, but also help them drive product market fit, get them to a significant revenue stream, set up partnerships, all the things that you need to do to make a company successful.
I've been a charter member for about 2.5 years now, roughly about 2.5 years. And really, I think my intent to join the charter membership is really twofold. One is be part of a greater networking event, and people who are in this club are really entrepreneurs who have crossed many journey from idea from a small startup to a scale really at a larger size, and the intent is to learn from them, and also I think the second fold is really to take some of the experiences that I've learned being in the industry for about 10-15 years and see how I can share those experiences learning and help budding entrepreneurs come up as they kind of learn from us, so they don't make kind of the same mistakes that we have made in our past journey.
Yeah, so I've been associated with TiE for the last, I would say, 10 years, and as a charter member for the last 4 or 5 years. And TiE Seattle allows you to meet the community, local community. You meet all the entrepreneurs, you meet people who have been successful, and you also meet the young entrepreneurs, right? And so it allows you to build a network. If you're looking for talent, it helps you get talent. And the other thing, you can give back. So for example, I'm part of the TiE now, which is the young entrepreneurs, so we can mentor them and grow them out. So it's a good community, and it's you learn from them and you can also give back. So it's a two-way street for me.